Hi everyone. Today I am going to focus how to factorize the quadratic expressions by using quadratic formula. Let's see. By using quadratic formula. Here, the quadratic expression ax square plus bx plus c can be solved by using this quadratic formula. What is it? It is negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Actually, we know that general form of the quadratic equation can be written as ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. However, where a is not equal to 0. Then the x can be written as the solutions of the quadratic equation negative b plus or minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. Okay. Let's go to my first example. It is 2x square minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. It is an equation, quadratic equation. Now, here a is equal to 2, b is equal to negative 3, c is equal to negative 4. However, the quadratic formula is given by negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now we have to substitute this value negative b. What is it? Negative times negative 3 plus or minus b square. What is it? Negative 3 whole square minus 4a is 2. Z is negative 4 over 2 times 2. Negative 3 times 3, 3 plus or minus 9 plus 4 times 4, 16 times 2 is 32 divided by 4. Now 3 plus or minus square root of 41 over 4. There are two solutions. X is equal to 3 plus square root of 41 over 4, or x is equal to 3 minus square root of 41 over 4. If we know the square root of 41, we can calculate the solutions of the above quadratic equation. Okay, now we will go to the next example. It is 3x square plus 14x minus 9. Then what is a value? A is 3, b is 14 and c is negative 9. Now the quadratic formula can be written as x is equal to negative b plus or minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, negative b. Then you have to substitute negative 14 plus or minus b square. What is it? 14 square minus 4 times a. A is 3 times c is negative 9 over 2 times 3. Negative 14 plus or minus, what is 14 square? Minus 14 square is 196 times negative times negative positive, 2 times 12 times 9 over 6. What is it? Negative 14 plus or minus the square root of 196 plus 108 over 6. This can be written as negative 14 plus or minus square root of 304 over 6. Okay, there two solutions are x is equal to negative 14 plus square root of 304 over 6, or x is equal to negative 14 minus square root of 304 over 6. These are the solutions. Let's go to my next example. It is, I'll write it as x times x plus 4 is equal to 3. The first step is we have to expand the brackets. X square plus 4x is equal to 3, or x square plus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. What are the ABC values of this one? A is equal to 1, B is equal to 4, or Z is equal to negative 3. The quadratic expression can be written as negative B plus or minus B square minus 4AC over 2A. Negative B, what is negative B? Negative 4 plus or minus B square 4 square minus 4 times A is 1, Z times negative 3, C is negative 3 over 2 times 1 negative 4 plus or minus B square is 16, 4 square is 16 minus 4 times minus 3 is plus 12 over 2. Actually negative 4 plus or minus square root of 28 over 2. This can be simplified. Negative 4 plus or minus what is square root of 28? 7 times 4 over 2. Then negative 4 plus or minus 2 square root of 7 over 2. If we want negative 2 plus or minus square root of 7. This is the final answer. X is equal to negative 2 plus square root of 7. No. X is equal to negative 2 minus square root of 7. These are the answers. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel to watch my new videos. Thank you.